See, now here we pasted the 7 pipes like this, and with these circles which we have made, I have covered like this. So back side it looks like this. See the circles. In between pipes are there to cover that one more set of circles we have pasted, and let it dry for some time. Now we have pasted this also to cover the pipes. Take one pipe like this and alternatively cover it like in and out. See, these are the first, second, third pipes. We'll do first weaving. Take this pipe, turn it to the right little, put your finger on this pipe like this, turn it like this, and we'll take the first pipe up. So that means this should go down the like this, like with one hand press it like this little up, and this one will be down. That means which we are rolling the pipe, it should come above this pipe like this. See, this is up and this is down. So next again this pipe should come up like this, pressing little here, turn the circle like this up, and now the other one will be down only. So we will take this pipe above this pipe. You have to keep pressing like this continuously. Now this will go up, and this one as it is down, and this one up. So we have finished one round of circle like this. So next what we'll do is, whichever pipe is down, now that will go up. Means our rolling pipe should go like this. Press. So first this was in, so now this will go out like this, down, it comes down, and press it here so that it will be hold tightly. Again this was out, now this will go inside. So this pipe will come below this pipe. This pipe will be below this pipe like this. You have to hold it, press and hold it little like this. And next one, this was in, so this will come out like this. Now this was in and it will go out like this. You have to keep on pressing little. The out one will go inside like this. That's why we have made these papers flat, so that easily we can fold them. And this is down, so this will go in, and our rolling paper will come above this like this. And next one down like this. See, here I have finished my paper, so I have kept some glue and attached with the other roll. First row is finished like this. Now we'll start the second row. See, now this is in, so it will come out like this. We have to take this rolling paper above this. So this is down now like this. Okay. Now this one we'll take it up. One is in and one is out. This was out, so now we are taking it inside. Now this one will go down like this, and this one is out, so it will go inside like this. This is out, so we'll take it in now. See, now we finished the second row. This is our third row. This one was in, we are taking it out. Same procedure, one in and one out, like this. You have to press it like this. Like this, at least make 5 rounds like this, okay? One in and one out. You have to press it and pull. Here this rounding paper is over. So again I'll attach one more pipe into this. Hold it till it dries. Start. See, like this we have made 7 rounds here and this is over. So what we'll do is here we'll stick it off. Apply Fevicol and we'll stick it here like this, okay? Hold it little. Now here we have this remaining part. So what we do is cut little and stick each and every pipe like this. Apply Fevicol. See, this is outwards, so turn it outward and then stick like this. And this is this will go inward. So cut little, apply Fevicol and paste it towards like this. All these pipes, see, this will come outward and this will go inward. Cut it and paste all the pipes like that, inward and outwards. See, like this I have pasted all the pipes in and out. Next is we have to make a handle. So we have 2 pipes here. Apply Fevicol. Take 2 pipes. Apply Fevicol on that. This, see, apply Fevicol. See, paste it like this inward. Hold it. Here I have pasted here and here also I applied Fevicol and paste it here like this. Okay, now your basket is ready. Now your basket with handle is ready. Okay, now we'll color it. After this dries up, we'll color it. Whatever color you want to color, you can. See, I have taken blue color because this is very bright. Painted the whole basket with blue color. To look little bit decorative, I made 2 flowers and colored it and pasted. You can